We are doing the unboxing of oximeter which we received from Dr. Trust. The model is Dr. Trust oximeter 209NL50D. We have ordered this in Dr. Trust website. We received this from Dr. Trust warehouse directly, and this model is not available in any e-commerce portal. Once you open the box, you will find a tax invoice, the rate of which is $9.99. Actual MRP is 4,400, but after all discounts you will get this for 999 rupees. Apart from the invoice, you will also find the pulse oximeter. These are the features. We can see the reading of SpO2. Then this has got color display. Then it will also show the respiratory rate with high accuracy. It has got directional change feature, which means you can see it on all the four sides, and it has also got a pouch included in this along with two batteries. This side has got some technical features mentioned, and now these are the usages and the features which are mentioned on the box. Now let's open the box and see what contents are there inside the box. You open the box, you see this pouch, and you see the pulse oximeter inside the pouch. So we'll keep them here. Then you will have the tag. You will have two batteries. Then you have this user manual and a warranty card. Now the unboxing is completed. So let us see how the pulse oximeter works. This oximeter, the model of this oximeter is Pulse 209 oximeter, and this is here it is, the place of manufacturing is not written, but here everything is written as USA. So this seems to be an original piece. Let us insert the batteries which have been provided to us. We'll take out these two batteries which are AAA batteries. Open the back cover and then put the batteries. Make sure you put the batteries as per the requirement, and then close the case. Now we have put the batteries and switch it on. It says finger out because we have still not inserted the finger. This oximeter is going to show you the oxygen level percentage and the pulse rate. So I'll put my finger and then switch it on. You can see the pulse graph in the readings. Yes, 99% is the SpO2 percentage and 68 is the pulse rate. So the best way to see the readings is always use this finger, the middle finger. So we'll put the middle finger again and we'll see whether the readings are right or not. Yeah, 99 is the SpO2 percentage and 69 is the pulse rate. Now how to test whether this is an original piece or not? If you insert any object which doesn't have any bed flow, then it should show 0 readings. So we are putting an pen instead of an instead of finger, and we'll see what readings it will show. So I'm switching it on. So you can see the readings are 0, which means this is an original pulse oximeter. During this pandemic, pulse oximeter is one of the important medical devices which you should be keeping at home. Constant measurement of SpO2 is required during these pandemic times. I'm putting this finger again and showing you the result. 99, again the same readings have come. So you can move it in any direction, it will show the readings. Thank you.